Okay, let's move to the question number 9. It is given that f of x is equal to ln of 2x plus 5. For x is greater than a, where a is a constant. Write down the least possible value of a. For the existence of the ln function, the argument should be greater than 0. So, argument should be greater than 0. And in this case, argument is 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 should be greater than 0. Further solving, we will have 2x is greater than negative 5 and x is greater than negative 5 over 2. So the minimum value that satisfies the x which is greater than a. So in this case, a is equals to negative 5 over 2. Part B, using your value of a, write down the range of f. As we know that we have the function f of x which is equals to ln of 2x plus 5, and we have the domain which is x is greater than negative 5 over 2. When the x approach to negative 5 over 2, the f of x approach to negative infinity. Similarly, when x approach to positive infinity, the f of x will approach to positive infinity. Okay, so we can say that the range of the f is real number. It is given that g of x is x squared plus 1 for all value of x which are real. Part C, using your value of a, solve the equation f of g of x is equals to 4. Give your answer in exact form. We have been given that f of g of x is equals to 4. And we know that f of g of x is f of g of x. G of x is given which is x squared plus 1. And this one is equal to, when we plug x is equal to x squared plus 1 in the function of f of x, so we will have ln of 2 times x means x squared plus 1 plus 5, and this one is equals to 4. Okay, so we have ln of 2x squared, 2 times 1 is plus 2, and then plus 5 equals to 4. Further solving, we will have ln of 2x squared plus 7 is equals to 4. So we need to solve this equation. So we need to find the value of x. So we can find a value of x by applying exponent both sides. So we will have 2x squared plus 7 is equals to exponential of 4. And 2x squared will be equals to exponential of 4 minus 7. X squared is equals to exponential of 4 minus 7 over 2. We need to find the value of x, so we will take under root both sides. So x is equals to plus minus under root exponential of 4 minus 7 over 2. So when we solve this value, we will have plus minus 1.384, which is greater than a. So this one is 1.384, which is negative, and greater than positive and negative both are greater than 2.5 negative, because a is equals to negative 2.5. So this value is greater than negative 2.5, satisfy the x condition.